Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Beis, B-E-I-S, I think you pronounce it. I am not 100% positive. Weekender bag review. So to give you some information about this, back when it was the Nordstrom anniversary sale, an influencer, I believe it was Busby Style Hive, recommended this as an item to purchase. And of course I was checking them out and I never pulled the trigger for the anniversary sale, which is quite all right because it was more luggage that was on sale versus a weekender bag. But because I clicked on it and I was viewing it and I did other internet searches on it, that brand and their bags have been following me around ever since. They knew I had an interest in it and they kept teasing me and taunting me and saying, "Buy me, Carolyn." And the one I really wanted was this one that was plaid. And I'll show it to you in just a second. But, you know, I was like, oh, you know, it's $128. Let me see what Amazon has. So that's why you saw the review, which I'll link up above here, of the Amazon one that I purchased. Because I did do a search on Amazon and they were not available on Amazon, but their dupes were. And I purchased that dupe. They didn't have it in plaid, but so I decided to get that solid light green. And I was very impressed with the quality, and I'm still impressed with the quality. But this one kept calling my name, so I finally pulled the trigger on it, and I had it shipped, and I'm just speechless. All right, this opens up and stays open, right? So you can snap it closed like that, but if you're packing, it's not gonna like fold down on you. So it's almost like a box. Look at this. So one thing I like about it, like the other one that I had, the dupe, it has pockets, but these pockets don't get in the way of you packing. You see how nice and flat that they are on the side? This is a zipper, and there's room here in the zipper pouch. And this would be great to put like a laptop here on the side with the Velcro here. But I like the fact that you can stand it up and put a lot of items in here. And I like the fact that the bottom part is black, and just like the Amazon dupe, of course it has feet. But I like the part that is black on the bottom. As we know, that's the part that's gonna get the dirtiest. The bottom part, I imagine, is a faux leather. I can't say if it's real or faux, but it unzips just like the dupe does. And it has plenty of space in there. All right, so you can put your shoes or anything else down there. As you see, the plaid is gorgeous. I'll come a little bit closer. It's just tan, white, and black. It would go well with the black luggage. It would go well with their ivory or tannish colored luggage. I probably wouldn't get that color luggage. I'd be afraid it would get dirty. I do have a black suitcase, and I do have a tannish type of suitcase. One of them will go with this. They're still good and in good condition, but I would have loved a new set. Now, you're gonna say to me, are you gonna get the set that matches and one of the ones matches? And my answer is no. If I do get new luggage itself, I will probably get it from Quince, all right? Their luggage is highly recommended, and I think it comes with a fair price. The handles on this, I'm gonna imagine, are faux leather and not real leather. Okay, let's see. It's in French because this is a French company. Although it's a product, it says a product of Los Angeles made in China. Interesting. Yeah, it's all in French, so I can't really read it for you. External zip pocket for small stuff, trolley pass-through for ease, bottom compartment for shoes. And just like there's a pocket here on the side, with also a zip here. And you know what? Does it have? Yes. So this unzips here on the bottom, and you can, when you unzip it on the bottom, you can put it over your luggage. So it's dual. That's kind of cool, isn't it? So if you want it as a pocket, you can keep it zipped. If you want to put it over your luggage handle, you unzip it, and you can put your luggage in through here. You know, unlike the Amazon dupe, it was all material and it was quilted. This is not quilted, and this has like the faux leather handles where that was all material. And this also has an adjustable shoulder strap, just like the other one, but this one I would have to say is much sturdier looking than the one that I got for the Amazon dupe. So this is a gorgeous bag. It is a keeper. I highly recommend it. It's very, very bougie. Like, I'm gonna feel really special wearing this when I go on vacation. And I wanna let you know too, I liked it so much. My girlfriend is retiring. She's having a retirement party, and my friends, two of my friends and I are gonna go in on a gift, and I suggested maybe this is kind of weird because I know she is planning to travel in her retirement. And they both liked it, and they said, yeah, we like the plaid one. So she's gonna be twinning with me. I hope she likes this as much as I do. I think this is just an overall gorgeous bag, and it blows away the Amazon dupe. That's not to say the Amazon dupe isn't a poor quality. It's decent quality, but it doesn't have the structure that this one does. This is definitely very structural. I love the fact that it opens up like this and stays open, so your clothes can stack in neat and nice, and then you can just close it up and zip it up. And that is it. I just wanted to share this bag with you. I know a few of you were questioning about my Amazon one and had some questions, and I just kind of wanted to do a compare and contrast between this. That's not to say the $41 Amazon dupe is bad quality. It's just not to this level. And you know, I think about it, $128, I spend that on purses. So to have a bag that's gonna last me for years and years and years, I guess it's not that horrible, to be honest with you. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care, till next time.